Good morning from Colorado. Beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. It is going to be hot today, and we're headed into several very, very hot days here in Colorado. We're going to get up to close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit every day, 98, 99, that's what, 37, 38 degrees Celsius. So warm stuff. So got to watch out for the animals, make sure they've got water, make sure they've got shelter, places to get out of this coming heat. So let's go let them out into the nice cool morning now. Probably start today with a little trip out to Chicken Manor and get some scratch going out there. Look at these clouds of black birds all over everywhere. Are they starlings? I'm not sure which ones they are. But they fly up. Let's see if I can startle them out of the tree as I'm going by here. They just kind of move around like giant clouds of black birds. I think the water's doing pretty good over there. Uh-oh. I think the pond needs a quick fix. I haven't pulled the plug to get the drainage going here. We got water. It just needs to flow. So let's get this unclogged real quick so that we can have a pollinator pond working again. Oh, nothing like a nice cold morning. Shove your hand down the pond. You know when this is really fun? This is really a good time in the middle of winter. Hold it for a little while. Until it gets so much debris in there it clogs again. And there we go. There's a nice look at the pond. I sure like it when it's working. Okay. Now with a soaking wet hand, back to the job at hand. Rock in my shoe. All right. Past that. Now let's start. Learn our lesson of yesterday and a few other days before I do any other chores. Let's go ahead and start filling this. Now what we're not going to do is we're not going to add to the main tank today because I think that's just wrong. I think what I need is these smaller bowls. So let's at least fill some of those for now with fresh. Okay, now that can fill while I'm doing scratch. I need to get some new oyster shell out here for these girls too. That's the old stuff. Looking a little long in the tooth there. At least we still have some out here that looks pretty clean. That's nice. That was under cover. Been some there, but still some critter digging something there. Not surprised. I think this thing is just filled with mice out here. Still going to be a minute to fill. All right. Knowing the amount of time that takes, I'm going to come up with my strategy for using that to have some clever water thing that... Look at that thing swimming down in there. Can you see it? That's wild. Strange water bug is that? Huh. Oh, okay. That looks full on all accounts. So let's go ahead and stop that water. See, I think if I use that principle, where one thing spills to another, and then I've got little bowls that I could empty, you know, like 4 or 5 little bowls. And then if I had, that takes 4 minutes to fill. If I had like 3 of those in a row, I could start one filling, it could spill into the next. Oh yeah, I guess I should let the chickens out, huh? Here I'm designing water features and water things for the kids I haven't let out of the barn. Come on out, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Chicken Manor birds. How y'all doing? It's gonna be hot. Stay in the shade. Have a great day. Yeah, sadly no leftovers to share this morning. Let's go ahead and round it out with 10 minutes on the old goat spigot. Here in Gin Pot. I'm gonna have to go do that food run probably one day this week. We're down to just about the end of the scratch. I can make it today and tomorrow. shouldn't be an issue between the two containers, but after that, I'm out. And good morning, Gen Pop chickens. How are we all doing in here this morning? Hello, Ducky Ducks. Hi, Kev. How's everybody this morning? I'm gonna get out of your way. Come on out. There we go, everybody. Little duck action to start. And chicken after chicken. All right, you little cute things. Go do your thing. Good morning, family. How is everybody? How are we all doing? Everybody sleep well? Everybody still sleeping well? Did you not expect me this early? I know. I'm a little early, but the roosters are crowing, so it's, you know, good time. Oh, Sassy, good morning, sweet girl. Hi, good to see ya. How's my sweet Sassy? Oh, you just decided you need some love this morning? Oh, what a good girl. Yeah, hi. What a wonderful sheep you are. Oh, and Billy. Is Billy here for love or just standing around? Hi, Cece. Hi, Miles. Oh, my morning friends here. Did you sleep well, hon? How's my Cece girl? Oh, yeah. Nice ear scratch to start the day. I know, it's a big thing. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, that was fun, but you're in the wrong spot. No, don't lean into me. I know, we were cuddling, kind of. Miles, you too, buddy. Let's move forward here, please. Keep it going. There we go. Thank you. All right. All right, Cece. Moving on out. Thank you, sweetie. Appreciate that. They definitely cleaned out the hay, so we'll do that with a little grain here this morning. I think my grain supply is getting low too, so it's the right time for a big old feed run. Thought I heard some weird noises. But there's really nothing but weird noises in the barn, but I generally know what most of the weird noises are. So when I hear a new one, I always wonder what that is. Oh, look. We can peek through my chicken peek here. And we can see Kevin. Good morning, Kevin. How you doing? Good to see you. Hi, Duck. Let's give this just a little more room between the bowls so that the animal butts can be pointing out. Give them a little more space. Let's do that hay first, though. I probably should have done that before I did the grain. I really don't want to pull my stairs, but I need a bale of hay. And when I pull it away from that door, I'm kind of committed to making it all work, so I may be moving the rest of this hay today. But let's see, what are we taking? That's where they're still laying. You know what? I can still step here. I think I can rationalize one more bale. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll try and make a point to come out this afternoon and rearrange. A lot of this could use some nice rearranging. I could probably pick up those pallets and have that be a thing that makes a little more space here in the barn. But not for long, because I've got to get going. I'm finding some hay now. I hear you. Whoops. Didn't mean to throw that in the grain. I had to put that in the garbage. Those goats distracted me. And again, I am rather easy to distract. Looks like they finally dug their way through a lot of that hay yesterday. That was good. It's amazing when you finally quit giving them all your great stuff. You let them dig through the stuff that's, they eventually do get through it, grudgingly. Although I hear about it a lot. This is not a trash can. So let's get you into the trash can on the top. We'll go on that when we're done with the grain. Blah! Alrighty, the big moment has come. Everybody gets to go out for grain. Alright, I am anticipating 4 goats remaining behind. That would be Miles, that would be Billy, that would be Nugget, and Opal. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Oh, there go Nugget and Opal. No, they're not. That's not Opal, that's Nugget. It's hard to give them the rest of the grain if I don't have the grain. Who is that? No, we don't need to come in here, Rosie. What's up, Kevin? You just have to talk about getting down from your roost a lot today before you do it.
How are you doing this morning? I see you. How you doing, my little kitty cat? You get out there and go play and have a fun day. I'll see you around today, okay? Alright.
I think all is right with the goat, sheep, chicken, duck, turkey world. A little bucolic morning scene of everybody peacefully enjoying themselves with a rooster crow in the distance. I was waiting for, you know, for him to hit his cue. A little late, but we'll take it, buddy. All right, we'll see you back later today.